everybody!
Look! I'm wearing a pink birthday hat.
Mine's purple.
Today, it's your birthday!
Yay!
So, happy birthday!
Hello, Tan family, Gray, and syempre inaanak ko dyan si Danica, yung bida ng araw ngayon. Wow, grabe may inaanak na ako. Loko ka, Gray, binigyan mo ko ng responsibilidad maging ninong. And of course, ngayon na may basbas ako maging ninong, syempre, paninindigan ko yun. Although di ako perfect, pero susubukan ko pa rin. And to you, Danica, probably masyado akong pambata para maintindihan yung pinagsasabi ko dito. Pero do know na meron kang ninong abroad who is willing na gumabay sa'yo as you grow old. Hindi porket nandito ako, malayo ko sa inyo, wala na akong kwenta. Do know na lagi nyo, pwede nyo ako i-chat, i-WhatsApp, or ewan ko, ano ba uso dyan. Madali nyo ako hanapin. Kung, you know, again, masyado ko pa sigurong bata para mapanood to. Pero if ever nagkaroon ka ng consciousness of sort, chat mo lang ako. Anyway, pag uwi ko naman dyan, bibisita ako. Don't worry. Gala tayo. Manda ka kasi spoil kita sa ano. Ewan ko. Ano ba, ano nandyan? Toys R Us? Uso pa ba yun? Basta tambay tayo one day set natin yan. Anyway, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, Happy Birthday. Insert nyo lang kung ano yung na-miss kong event or occasion. God bless.
Hello po, good morning. Good morning po dyan, Tan family. Especially kay Jasmine. I miss you. Yan, happy birthday, Danica, sa inaanak ko. I'm your Nina. Ninang na ako. Hope to meet you soon. Hope to see you soon. Sa lahat ng mga na-miss kong events, mga Christmas, ganon, New Year, birthday mo, ganon. I'll make sure na to make bawi talaga sa absence ko. And yon, me and your mom naman, we had a good friendship naman talaga. Ever since high school, ganon. And I can assure you that na I can be your guardian, taga-alaga mo, ganon. And if you need something, pwede mo naman ako lapitan anytime, anywhere, ganon. And sana ako yung pinaka-funny mong Nina. I'll spoil you talaga. And ayun, stay healthy. Huwag mo payapan mama mo. Pero ayun, happy birthday, enjoy. Sana mapakinggan mo na to soon, mapanood mo, ganon. I love you par. Happy birthday!
Hello, baby Danica. Happy birthday. I just want to wish you a blessed year, a year full of love and happiness with your family. And I wish you all the good things in this world. I know I haven't met you yet, but I know that you're gonna grow up as a lovely and kind girl that brings joy and peace to the family, just like your mom. Enjoy your very first birthday, and I hope to meet you very soon. I love you, baby Danica and Ate Gray.
Happy birthday, Danica. God bless and take care.
Happy birthday, Danica! Yes, on your dedication and birthday, Danica, we pray that you will grow na with the fear of God. Also, we pray na lumaki kang with good health at masayahing bata. At also na we pray na maging mabait ka rin na bata katulad ni mama mo and mga tito. Yan. And also, we pray na you will study hard when you grow up. And we want to bless you on your birthday. So, again, happy birthday, Danica.
Happy birthday! See you soon, Danica! Bye-bye!
Bye-bye!
Enjoy!
Danica. Yes, Danica. Danica. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Danica. Be good girl. Don't cry always. See you soon. Beep. Mama Lisa, I love you.
Hi, Kai! Happy first birthday from all of us here in Sydney! Happy birthday, Kai!
Mayo!
Max! Happy New Year! Max! What do you say?
Happy birthday, Ikay!
Hip hip! From Sydney! Na ako. And then pagkatapos nun, sabay-sabay sa kanila, happy birthday. Happy birthday! Sabay-sabay sa kanila, happy birthday. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you.